Alright, this time let's go and actually install our plugins. So let's go to our website. Let's go to our plugins, install plugins. And the first thing we're going to do is delete Hello Dolly. Hello Dolly is just a fun little plugin, but this is a business website we're building. This isn't a fun website. The first plugin that we're going to do is Akismet. So we activate it. What we're going to need to do here is get an Akismet key. So we click sign up for an Akismet API key. Click right here. We click on this one over here, personal, $0 to $120 a year. And from here, this is a very recent change. As a matter of fact, this has happened in the last couple of weeks. So we sign up with WordPress. If you have a WordPress account, that's great. If you don't, you need to get yourself a WordPress account. So from here, let's click sign up with WordPress.com. Alright, from here, if you have a WordPress.com account, you click here and you sign up from there. If not, you type in your email address and you choose a username and password and you sign up. And I'm going to do that, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, now that you have your WordPress account, from here you click I already have a WordPress.com account. And you enter in your email address and your password that you just chose, and you click sign in. Alright, and after you're logged in, it offers you the choice of how much you want to pay. You can slide it all the way up to $120 a year, or if you're first starting out, slide it down to 0. You enter your first name, your last name, your email account. This is the one I'm using for this, and you click continue. It says done. Your Akismet subscription is now active. Now you click take me back to my WordPress account. Now what you want to do is go to your email address, get your Akismet key, and you enter it right here. And your Akismet key is very much like a password or a username, so you don't put it out on the internet. So you put your Akismet key in, you click on auto delete spam, show the number of comments, and you click update options. And I'm going to do that myself, and when I come back I'm going to meet you inside of the dashboard. From your dashboard, go plugins, go add new, and right here type in all-in-one SEO pack, just like that. Search, and you install right there. Now let's activate it, and let's go to the admin page. You want to make sure that this is enabled, and your home title and your home description, we're actually going to get into this in a later video. Okay, what I want you to do right here is pause the video and check and uncheck these plugins just like I'm about to change them to. Alright, you leave the first one unchecked, you leave the second last one unchecked, you check this one, and this one. Scroll down to the bottom, click log important events, and click update options. Let's go back to our plugins. So we have the Akismet and the all-in-one SEO pack installed. The next plugin we install is going to be different. It's going to come from a file on your desktop. Alright, the next plugin that we're going to install is called the Free Traffic Getting SEO. And I'm going to show you where to get this plugin, and it's free, and this is an extremely important plugin. So let's go to Google, and from Google type in Free Traffic Getting SEO plugin. Search, Okay, what you're going to do now is click here. It's going to take you to Jeff Johnson's website. From Jeff's website, he is giving this to us for free, but he asks us to join his mailing list to download it, so we need to click on join his mailing list. Okay, from here, all you need to do is enter in your email address and continue. And what happens after we enter in our email and continue? We need to go check our email, and this is what we get from him. Okay, we get a nice long email with some different links to different websites. And down here, not to mention, he says free software like my traffic getting SEO plugin. And he says I'll be sending you all of this and more, so keep an eye out for future emails. And what happens is it can take him up to a week to send you this plugin. Alright, how to install the free traffic getting SEO plugin. Go to plugins, add new. This time you upload, you browse right here on your hard drive, open it, install now. This is a bigger plugin, so it takes a little bit longer to install it. And we activate it. And let's start to set it up. You confirm your blog's system requirements and agree to the terms of service. You click Install TGSP and proceed. Now you click I agree to company terms of service. I want to optimize my blog now. Now you scroll down to the bottom. You can see how it's optimized. Each blog is different, but this one right now is 16.46%. You click Apply Blog Tweaks. That brought it up to 23.43. Now you click here to install the recommended plugins. And this is going to install a whole slew of new plugins for us. So first, the way I do this, and this is the best way to do it, I've tried many ways, and I have built over 100 WordPress websites. You right click, open link in new tab. Do this all the way down to the bottom. And that's it. Now we go to each one. We click on Install Now. One at a time we do this. I actually do have a plugin. I just bought it the other day that allows you to install all of these plugins with just one click. Anyway, now you go back to the first tab here and you activate. Second tab, activate. Third tab, activate, and so forth. Now back on the original page. When we refresh this page, this all should turn green. And make sure you double check each and every one. And it's done. Let's get rid of these extra windows, we don't need them. And now we start setting up these plugins one at a time as soon as we install the rest that this one didn't install. So I'm going to take a break here